This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sauce cheese pasta. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a creamy and flavorful dish every time. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, from the pasta to the perfect blend of cheeses. Then, we'll prepare the pasta and set up our cooking station for a smooth and enjoyable culinary experience. Now, let's create the heart of our dish, the creamy white sauce. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Next, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a smooth roux, cooking it for 1 minute. Slowly pour in 2 cups of warm milk, whisking continuously to avoid any lumps. Continue cooking and stirring for about 5 minutes until the sauce thickens to a lovely consistency. With our beautiful white sauce ready, it's time to add the star ingredient: cheese. Take the sauce off the heat and stir in 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like cheddar or mozzarella, until it's completely melted and smooth. Season the rich cheese sauce with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, add your perfectly cooked pasta, tossing it gently to ensure every strand is coated in that luscious, cheesy goodness. Your delicious white sauce cheese pasta is now ready to be enjoyed. Transfer it immediately to serving bowls while it's still warm and wonderfully creamy. For a touch of freshness, garnish with some chopped fresh parsley or a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. This comforting dish is perfect as a main course or a delightful side. Feel free to customize it with your favorite cooked vegetables or a protein for an even heartier meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.